Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in our today's class we are going to start self-practice 9A, that is chapter 9, measurement from your composite maths book. Alright, so the first question we have is fill in the blanks. So in our last class, yes, we have dealt with this concept, that is the relation between meter, centimeter, kilometer, meter, yes, meter, centimeter, conversion we have done. So those concepts now we are going to apply. Okay, so what you have to do, fill in the blanks. That is, you have to fill in the blanks. You have to convert 9 meter into dash centimeter. So before solving this, so I want you all to know this thing, that I know that most of the student has got this idea. If you have forgotten, kindly brush up with this. Okay, so 1 meter means 100 centimeter. If 1 meter is 100 centimeter, then 9 meter is what? 9 into 100. It is 9 ones are 9, 00. It is 900 centimeter. Yes, so the answer is 900 centimeter. Is it clear? So 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Of course, then 9 meter it will be 900 centimeter. Proceeding to the next part, that is B. So you people have to know this thing. Okay, this is the first and the basic concept which you have to remember. Okay, next, 1 kilometer is equal to how much meter? It is 1000 meter. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Then 7 kilometer means how much? It is 7 into 1000. Whatever the number you have, just multiply. Whenever you are converting into meter, just multiply with this 1000. It is 7000 meter. 7 ones are 7. How many zeros are left then? 3. So it is 7000 meter. Whenever you are converting kilometer into meter. Okay. Now 37 kilometer into meter. This you are going to solve it. How we did? What I told you. In place of 7 you will put 37 and you will get the answer. Next, part D. 5 meter 36 centimeter to centimeter you have to convert. Okay. 5, it is already in centimeter, but meter should be converted now into centimeter. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to, whenever you have this mixed unit, and if suppose you have to convert into 1 unit, right? At that time what you have to do? Let's see. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Yes. So 5 meter means 5 into 100, that is 500 centimeter. So what you will do is just plus it, 500 plus 36. Now because 5 meter has been converted into 500, no? Now both are the same unit, so plus it. And make it 1, 536 centimeter. The answer is 536 centimeter. Understood? So this is the rough part I am doing here to make you understand how I am getting the answer. I hope you are understanding it. Okay. So next, part E. If you are having a problem, kindly share with me. Okay. So the question is similar in the part E also. So that's why I'm leaving this part. You are going to do it yourself. Just you have to convert, as because the value is needed to be converted into centimeter. Okay. Not a big deal. Just convert this into centimeter, then plus it. You'll get the answer. Okay. The part F. 2 kilometer 264 meter. Okay. What you have to do? You have to convert into meter. So it is 264 is already in meter. Right. So only the thing we have to do is 2 kilometer have to be converted. Now 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So 2 kilometer means how much meter? It is 2 into 1000. That is 2000 meter. Right, now 2000 plus this is already in meter. So 2000 plus 264 is 20. How to write this? You'll write like this. Plus 4622. It is 2264. 2264 meter. Converting this into meter, 2000 plus 264, 500 plus 36, 7 kilometer into 700 meter, 9 meter to 900 centimeter. Understood? Now part C and E will be a home assignment. Okay. Proceeding to the question number 2, we have complete the following table. So in your book it is a simple table given there. The values given here is in the form of a centimeter. What you need to do is you have to convert it into meter and then centimeter. Alright. So till now till now what we have learned, we learned that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, but till now we have not learned that what is 1 centimeter, what is the relation between 1 centimeter to meter. Till now we dealt that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Then if 100 centimeter is 1 meter, then 1 centimeter will be 1 by 100 meter. As because meter is a bigger unit, centimeter is a smaller unit, so the 100 will come down. It will act as a denominator now. So once 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, right? So what is the question about? The question is, if 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter, then what is 400 centimeter? This is already done in your book, but how they got the answer? You people may be confused, right? So if 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter, then 400 centimeter is just put in place of 1, you multiply with the 400. 400 into 1 is 400, right? And now 400 divided by 100 is, you people know how to divide. 100 4 is 400. What is left? This part will be a meter, and whatever is the remainder, right? Whatever will be the remainder, that is here is, the remainder is 0. So 0 centimeter. So you will write like this. It is 4 meter and centimeter 0. It is already given in the question. It is already in your book. The answer is given, but I have explained you how they got 4 and centimeter as a 0. Now, whenever you have to convert this 650, what I have told, just divide with 100. Divide with 100, because 1 centimeter is 1 by 100. Then whatever the value you have, suppose 650 centimeter, divide with 100. You will get the value in meter. The remainder will be centimeter. Now 100 6 is 600. Yes, 106 is 600. Now what is left? 50, because 6 minus 6 is 0. Now this 50 cannot be divided by 100. Otherwise you have to put decimal. But here we just want this only. So whatever the question you got, this will be your meter. Whatever the remainder you got will be centimeter. I hope the concept is clear. So it is 6 meter, right? The 6 meter and remainder is 50. So it is 50 centimeter. Just see in your question only, you can directly assume the answer. If you do a regular practice, you can relate the answer that it is 6 meter 50 centimeter, 2 meter 38 centimeter. I'll write directly 2 meter 38 centimeter. You will cross check with after dividing with 100. You'll get this answer or not. 9 meter 65 centimeter. Divide, get the answer. Now you have the 4 digit. For 3 digit it is like this. That is the 100 position will be your meter, and the remaining 2 will be your remainder, that is your centimeter. Act as a centimeter. But what if you have the 4 digit number, 1, 10, 100, 1000 digit? If you have 1000, then still this number will be divided by 100 only. Whatever is the number, whether the number is in your lakh, but the value is 1 centimeter is 1 by 100. If suppose this lakh, if suppose the centimeter is in lakh value, no issue, you will be dividing with 100 only. So 100 2 is 200, 42 will be there. Now 5 will move down. 100 4 is 400. What is the remainder? 25. As because 100 cannot divide 25, so this will be a centimeter and this will be a meter. So it is 24 meter 25 centimeter. 24 meter 25 centimeter. So 2 digit, that is 1 tens 100 and 1000 digit will be a meter. 1 tens 100 1000, 100 and 1000 position will act as a meter, and the remaining 1 tenths will act as a centimeter. If suppose you have the 4 digit number, if suppose you have 3 digit, the 100 position will act as a meter, the remaining 2 will act as a centimeter. If you have 4 digit number, the last 2 digit will act as a centimeter and the remaining part will act as a meter. Okay student, I hope the concept is clear. In our next class we will be proceeding with the next question. Okay, till then stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.